Hello? Pardon me? This is my new subscribers. They even reached me right here. Okay guys, today we are gonna calculate cost of our floor in our new bedroom remodeling. Just floor today. In next video, we're going to calculate everything else. Okay. Hello? Today we are calculating cost of our new bathroom floor and everything under the floor, because under the floor we rebuild and relocate everything, including shower, sink, toilet, bath, water supply and sewerage location. And also heating radiator was relocated, and heating floor system was installed, and it's expensive too. After tiles and linoleum was disassembled, floor was looking like this. Some plumbing work, it's already done. This radiator was moved under vanity. Behind the toilet radiator was removed. Self-leveled cement concrete applied. Then base for the shower is done. $230. This is the price for this orange membrane. Let's start tile installation. I think so, yeah. My son don't really like it, he said. Not really. Yeah, he's not gonna be here. It's for me. Yeah. This aluminum tile corner cost $25 around. These Mosaic Tiles we bought last summer at Lowe's. It was on sale for $6 each. Original price was 10 or 11, I don't remember exactly. And I just look online, and price now, today is January, is $14.58 each. $95 we pay for this long square drain.
Windows and finish caulking. So that's the tool for caulking.
Yep.
See, this one's made in Italy.
Oh. Italian mafia.
Italians
Made
made
it.
something. Fucking different.
floor tiles we ordered online from Home Depot. Tiles made in Italy, hexagonal porcelain tiles. I like it. Finally, total for all materials is... It was a huge project. Under this video you can click a link to see before and after.
Hello?
Hello, subscribe.